Hello, welcome to Miss Shelley's Playful Projects. Today we're going to be making a koi fish. Here are the supplies you'll need. A paper roll, construction paper, a stapler, some glue. You can use Google Eyes or I'm using pony beads, a hole punch, a pair of scissors, a crayon, and a string about a yard long. First, you need to cut out a piece of construction paper that fits your paper roll. You're going to measure from end to end, and you're also going to measure, rolling it up, that it covers your full roll. Once you've cut the paper out to size, you're going to add your fish scales. We're going to do this by using our crayon to draw on the construction paper. Once you have your fish scales all drawn out, you're going to glue it onto your paper roll. You start at one end and roll it onto your paper roll. Now we're going to set the paper roll aside and we're going to work on our fins and tail. For the fins, you'll need to cut out 2 fins in a circular pattern, but you're going to need to leave a tab on the bottom so you can glue it onto your paper roll. So we're going to cut a tab into our paper, and then we're going to cut just a bit of a circle shape. After you've cut your fins out, you can add a few creases in them if you like. And you have your fins. Finally, we're going to cut out our tail. Take a sheet of paper, and you're going to, again, make a little tab on the bottom so you can use that to attach it to your fish, and then just cut out a tail. You can also put creases on your tail. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start by gluing our fins onto each side of our koi fish. Now we have the seam in the back, that's going to be our bottom. So you're going to turn that over, and you're going to want to glue, bend up your tab, and glue your tab onto your fish. So we're going to put some glue on that tab and glue it to the side, and do the same thing with the other side. Now we're going to work on the tail. You're going to take your tail, and where you made your tab, you're going to fit it into the bottom of your fish, and you're going to press down on the bottom and staple that in place. Once you've stapled that in place, you want to trim around the bottom. So we're going to take our scissors and we're just going to trim the corners of our fish. just round them out. Okay. Next, we're going to attach the string, which we'll use to hang it from our patio or balcony. We're going to take our hole punch, and on the bottom portion of our fish, we're going to punch a hole. Then we're going to take one end of our string, and we're going to slide that through the hole and knot it. Tie a knot. Now our fish can dangle. And we lost a fin. Maybe put a little bit more glue on that one. There we go. The last thing you want to do is put your eyes on your fish. So you might want to, because they're kind of heavy, put the eyes on there and then let it dry real well. So we're going to put glue on each one of our beads and put our eyes on there. And there you have it. That's all for now. Have a great day.